Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us for our daily tropical briefing. Now, normally we do these at 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and we will do another one later on today. However, there has been a lot of changes since we were on air earlier this morning, and therefore we wanted to just kind of give you an update on how things are evolving. So at this point, we officially have Nicholas. National Hurricane Center has named it as Tropical Storm Nicholas, so we can check that one off the box after the Air Force kind of did those recon flights. So here's where things stand as of right now. We've got 40-mile-an-hour winds as of the 10 a.m. advisory, and Nicholas is moving north-northwest at about 13 miles an hour. So this currently has it reaching kind of the Corpus Christi area around 7 p.m. on Monday, and you can see 60-mile-an-hour winds. That's why they have a tropical storm warning in effect. That's that yellow line at the coastline. I'll show that in a little bit better detail in just a moment. The blue line that extends towards Houston is a tropical storm watch. Now, as we kind of move on through here, it looks like it will make landfall at some point on Tuesday. Keep in mind, a lot can change between now and then. We're going to continue to monitor this as the storm does evolve, and then it looks like it'll quickly become a post-tropical depression once it kind of gets over land, but continue to bring rainfall effects to southeast Texas through the remainder of the week. So here's what we have at this point for watches, warnings, and advisories. The area in pink, a tropical storm watch that does include the Houston area until further notice, and then further south from about Brownsville to Corpus Christi, tropical storm warning again until further notice there. Now, flash flood watch, that is in effect from 7 p.m. tonight until 7 p.m. on Tuesday for the entire area highlighted in green. So that is the entire coastline of Texas, also extending into Louisiana near Lake Charles here. In addition to that, in the immediate coastline, we do have a storm surge watch. That's the area in pink, so right along the coastline until further notice. Just definitely keep that in mind if you're in coastal communities. And of course, in terms of impacts, we're going to continue keeping you updated as we get closer. So here's forecasted rainfall totals. This is from the Euro run. So it shows us not getting a whole lot tonight, maybe about a half an inch or so. But then as we head into the day tomorrow, rain is expected to pick up. So now we're kind of in that blue range, half an inch to an inch and a half. And then as we get into the day, more so on Tuesday, that's when the heaviest rainfall is expected, because that's when we're anticipating a landfall event. So for now, the amounts really haven't changed, anywhere between a couple of inches the further inland you go. But again, higher amounts closer to the coastline. So plan for a good 5 to 10 inches dependent on location, with locally higher amounts. It's going to lead to the potential for some flash flooding concerns, with flooding still being, rain rather, being the primary concern here. So make sure you have that Fox 26 weather app. That's going to get these alerts pushed to your phone as soon as they come in. It's immediate. You can monitor the animated radar. It gives you those up-to-date conditions, but you can also follow us on social media. We'll be updating you as we do get closer. And like I said, we will have another forecast discussion, a more detailed one of everything going on in the tropics, because there's also other disturbances. But of course, we wanted to get you the most up-to-date information on the one that poses kind of an imminent threat. So as of right now, the Houston area is under both a tropical storm watch until further notice and also a flash flood watch until further notice, and that is due to Tropical Storm Nicholas that looks to bring heavy rainfall, potentially impacting the southeast Texas coastline through Tuesday. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you again at 4 p.m.